Welcome to day 5, the final session of 5-minute movement series. Today we bring all together into a full body flow. Once again, no props needed. When you're ready, let's begin standing. Just keep everything loose. Keep a soft bend in your knees. Gently sway your arms side to side. Let your arms hang heavy, twisting from the middle of your chest at your own pace. When you get familiar with this movement, you can even pick up the pace. One final time. Now pause back to center. Circle your both arms up on your inhale. Maybe looking up. Exhale, Utkatasana. Bend your knees, send your hips back. Lift your chest up. Look ahead of you. Exhale, fold over. Relax your head. Inhale, halfway lift. Lift up your chest, hands to your thighs. As you fold over, step your right foot back, lower your right knee down for low lunge. Circle your both arms up, join your palms together, take a breath in. Exhale, bend to the left. Find the stretch along the right side down. Inhale back to center. On your exhale, bend to the right. You might start feeling the stretch along the left side down, which we are aiming for. Back to center. Release your both hands inside of your front leg. Extend the front leg for half splits. Move your hips back, soft bend in your front knee. Stay for one breath in and a breath out. Now rebend the front leg for lizard lunge. Option to stay here or tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, pause and breathe. On your exhale, step forward. Inhale, Utkatasana. Draw your tailbone down. Look ahead of you. Exhale, fold over. Inhale, halfway lift. As you fold over this time, left foot steps back, release left knee down, low lunge. Circle your both arms up, join your palms together on your inhale. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to the left. Noticing the stretch along the right side down. Back to center, release both hands inside of your right foot. Option to heel to your front foot out to the side for lizard lunge. Extend your front leg for half splits. Keep moving your hips back. Pause and breathe. Rebend the front leg for lizard. Option to stay here, keeping your back knee down or tuck the back toes, lift the back knee. Inhale here. On your exhale, left leg steps forward. One final time with Utkatasana. Maybe this time sinking your hips a little lower. Exhale, straighten up your legs. Release your arms by your side. Turn to face the longer edge of the mat. Toes out, heels in. Bend your knees. Sink your hips lower. Pray your hands at your heart. Maybe swaying gently side to side. Bringing some movement here into your lower body. One last time. Now extend both legs, turn your toes in, feet parallel together, soft bend in your knees, raise hands in front of you, maybe swing gently side to side. Just notice a stretch as you extend the legs. Back to center. Now slightly heel, toe closer together for Malasana. Sink your hips as low as you can. If you feel you're leaning forward, getting your heels lifted, you're welcome to get the support of a chair or anything. So pray your hands at your heart. Press your elbows inside of your knees. Spine is nice and long. Feel your glutes heavy. Let's stay here for a few breaths, maybe staying still or swaying side to side. Just explore. I do strongly recommend not to skip it, and you should work upon this pose, which is natural and highly functional for human body. One more final breath in and a breath out. Release your hands. Slowly lift up. You might feel a little sensitive in your hips, knees, and ankles. It's natural, and just shake out your legs or roll out your ankles if needed. Now, let's find any comfortable seat. Hands to your thighs, relax your shoulders. Let's take a deep breath in. Hold at the top, pause, open your mouth, let go. Let's continue this way. 2 more breaths. With every exhale, you might notice a little lighter in your seat. One final breath in. Open your mouth side out. That's it. You did it. You showed up consistently, and that's what matters. I hope you enjoyed this series. And by now, you can even see how 5 intentional minutes can really make a difference. If you try this, you can let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you again soon. Take care.